ink supply and drying technology. Integrated automatic cleaning system and anti-clogging measures can keep the print head clean during high-speed operation. Prolonging the life of the equipment while reducing maintenance costs and energy consumption. Supports one-click output of complex patterns. Auto-feathering function smooth and flawless edges. Provide a full set of feeding and receiving solution. Also provide corrugated paper cutting solution. Automatic skipping printing saving ink. And more efficient. Suitable for paper bags, high-end cartons, packaging boxes or promotional posters, etc. More cost-effective in customized small quantities.